Hi, this is Tommy and his band. After years of hard work, they finally got the big gig they were looking for. They're touring the whole East Coast this weekend. The only problem is
Winter Storm Jonas is arriving, and here are the 4 things you need to know. Now, timing will be everything with this storm because we are now looking at
the stage box they have that's supposed to distribute power to and from things like lights and power panels isn't rugged enough to power a show through this. Introducing Raptor Stage Power Apollo Series, a 100 amp, rugged and reliable, weather resistant stage power distribution box. Designed and engineered specifically to power your show through the worst weather conditions. For more information or to buy direct, visit raptorstagepower.com or call 800-258-0129.